Here's an exciting first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 design through newly released renders. OnLeaks/X truly made this weekend memorable by giving us an almost complete preview of what Samsung's next bold flagship will likely look like. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features flat edges on all four sides, mirroring the design of the Pixel 9, which took inspiration from the iPhone. It's reported to be about 13 grams lighter than the Galaxy S24 Ultra and 8 grams lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The smartphone appears to sport camera rings inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold 6, featuring a thick circular outer ring similar to the Z Fold 6's design. It's expected to look much more impressive in real graphics compared to the CAD-based renders that were leaked today. Reliable tipster Ice Universe has shared that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's dimensions will be 162.8 mm, 77.6 x 8.2 mm. This information was just revealed on X. If accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will rank among the thinnest flagship smartphones released in 2025. However, it won't surpass Samsung's slimmest flagship, as the Galaxy S6 was only 7 mm thick. Here's the comparison of the dimensions for Samsung's flagship smartphones. Galaxy S20 Ultra, 2020, 166.9 x 76.0 x 8.8 mm. Galaxy S21 Ultra, 2021, 165.1 x 75.6 x 8.9 mm. Galaxy S22 Ultra, 2022, 163.3 x 77.9 x 8.9 mm. Galaxy S23 Ultra, 2023, 163.4 x 78.1 x 8.9 mm. Galaxy S24 Ultra, 2024, 162.3 x 79.0 8.6 mm. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 2025, 162.8 x 77.6 x 8.2 mm. The Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out for its slim profile compared to recent models. Samsung is reportedly considering adopting the Snapdragon chipset for its Galaxy S25 series globally. This means that regardless of the region, the Galaxy S25 flagships might exclusively feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The Galaxy Artificial Intelligence Suite is set for a significant upgrade, introducing new artificial intelligence-powered features and enhancements. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.